Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Sebelum kita belajar, teacher akan menyampaikan bahwa di kelas 12 kita akan belajar 1 jam pembelajaran bahasa asing lainnya. Jadi kali ini kita akan belajar bahasa Korea, learn basic Korean. Ya sekitar in 3 minutes, 3 menit lah. Guys, this is the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Korean. I hope you can enjoy. 안녕하세요. 아메아요 반가워요. Hi, I am Amsar. Nice to meet you. In this series, Sambung Hanggungo, we're going to learn basic Korean expressions. It's super easy and it takes only 3 minutes. I hope to. First of all, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Korean. Guys, there are a few different ways to do it depending on how formal you want to be. Let's first look at an informal way to introduce yourself. Informal ya guys. 안녕, Amia Bangawo. Bisa diganti di situ Amsar nama kita. Hi, I am Amsar. Nice to meet you. 안녕, Amia Bangawo. Hi, I Ami. Nice to meet you. Annyeong means peace. So literally you say peace to say hello in Korean. Next, you can say your name, then add the ending sentence particle ya. My name is Amsar, so I say Amsar ya. Finally, you say Bangawo. Bangawo means nice to meet you. Now you try it. Ayo kita coba. Start by saying 안녕. Then say your name followed by ya. If your name is David atau Amsar, you can say David Amsar ya. Finally say Bangawo. Terakhir kamu bilang Bangawo. Annyeong David ya Bangawo. Now let's see a formal version. Ini versi formalnya. 안녕하세요. 아미아요 반가워요. Hi, I am Amy. I am Amsar. Nice to meet you. 안녕하세요. Amy예요. 반가워요. What is changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a close look at this together. Okay guys. First, 안녕 has to change to 안녕하세요. 하세요 is the verb meaning to do. If you add 하세요 next to 안녕, it's become more formal. 안녕하세요. Next, you can replace the particle ya with eyo. Ya bisa diganti menjadi eyo. Itu formalnya. Both of them are sentence ending particle. And you can put them after nouns. But ya is informal. And eyo is formal. So if you say Amsar eyo, ami eyo instead of ami ya. Maksudnya ya. You can introduce your name is more formal way. Finally, Bangawoyo. Do you remember how to say nice to meet you in formal? Informal way guys. Banggawo. Artinya nice to meet you. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Here, you can simply add the particle yo at the end of the verb. Then it becomes formal. You is a particle that can make a sentence polite. Bangga woyo. One more time. Once again guys. The formal way to introduce yourself. 안녕하세요. 감사해요. 반가워요. The informal way to introduce yourself. 안녕, 아미야, 반가워. Now, it's time for Amsar Insight. When you introduce yourself in Korea, it's polite to make a small bow. Membungkuk sedikit guys. If you're a guy, bow with your hands at your side. Jadi membungkuk sedikit ya guys. Kalau di Korea itu kebudayaan mereka. Kalau memberi salam ya guys. If you are a girl, bow with your hands in front of you. Jadi tangan di depan guys ya kalau perempuan. Bow from the waist. You don't have to dip down very far. Ya, tidak perlu membungkuk terlalu dalam. In the last lessons, we learn about how to introduce yourself in Korean. Kita sudah belajar cara memperkenalkan diri dalam bahasa Korea. Today, we are going to learn how to use good manners as we thank people. Are you ready? Okay, then let's start. There are several ways to thank someone. Ada beberapa cara berterima kasih pada seseorang. Let's start with the most common praise. 감사합니다. 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 감사합니다 means do thanks or thank you. To say thank you very much, you just need to add 대단히 감사합니다. Thank you very much, which means very much or greatly. 대단히 감사합니다. 대단히 감사합니다. 대단히 means greatly. So 대단히 감사합니다 is like saying thank you very much. In the last lesson, we saw that Korean has formal and informal ways of speaking. Ada formalnya, ada informalnya untuk berbicara. 감사합니다 is pretty formal. If you want to thank someone more casually, you can use a shorter phrase. Bisa menggunakan kelompok kata yang singkat. Gomawo. Gomawo. Itu artinya let's break down those phrases. In the formal way of saying thank you, 감사합니다. Gamsa means thank you, and hamnida is a formal way to do. So 감사합니다 means I do thanks. And to make it less formal, we swap out gamsa with different verb. That's gomawo. It has the same meaning of thank you, but it's more friendly when someone thanks you. How's your answer? There is no set response like you're welcome in English, but there are few things that you can say. The first thing is 아니에요, 아니에요, 아니에요. You literally are saying no problem. But this is a common and informal way to respond to someone thank you. Itu responnya kalau orang berterima kasih. You're telling the person that there's nothing to bother you thanking for. There's another phrase that's used to respond to thank you in Korean. 천만에요. 천만에요. Bacanya ya guys. 천만에요. You're welcome. But it's not used in formal. You're better off with 아니에요. In most situation. Ya umumnya pakai 아니에요. Okay guys, now it's time for Amsar Insight. Tradisi ya guys. 감사합니다. Thanks formal. 고마워. Thanks informal. What if you want to sound kind of formal but still kind of friendly? In that case, you can upgrade to informal gomawo to gomawayo. Gomawayo, gomawoyo. You see, you simply add yo at the end. Yo is the sentence ending particles that make sentence more polite. This is a nice way to thank your waiter. 고마워요. In the last lesson, we learned how to thank people by saying 감사합니다 and 고마워. In this lesson, we will learn some of the most common greetings used in Korea. Are you ready? Then let's start. Kita mulai lagi guys. The most common informal greetings is 안녕. 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 Annyeong means peace. We say when we meet someone and also when we leave. But only to a friend or someone younger than us. The more standard greeting that you will hear a lot in Korea is 안녕하세요. 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 Literally, 안녕하세요 means are you at peace? Salam ya guys. We use it to say hello when we meet someone. It's technically a question, but we don't always say it that way. Jadi kita akan belajar mengenai 안녕하세요. Ya, bentuknya adalah hello guys. Some people answer, jawabannya bisa yes. Before replying the same question, 안녕하세요, hello, 안녕하세요. When it's time to leave, we have a couple ways to say goodbye. Cara mengucapkan selamat tinggal. If you were leaving and the other person is staying, say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 계세요. 계세요 means please stay. So 안녕히 계세요 literally means please stay peacefully atau goodbye guys. Okay, casual version of 안녕히 계세요 is 잘 있어. 잘 means well and 있어 means stay informal. 잘 있어. So 잘 있어 just means stay well. 잘 있어 guys, bacanya 잘 있어. If the other person is leaving, say 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 가세요 means please go. So 안녕히 가세요 literally means please go peacefully. Yeah, please go peacefully. A casual version of 안녕히 가세요 is 잘 가. 잘 means well and ga means go informal. Go informally guys. So 잘 가 just means go well. Now you know lots of ways to greet people in Korea. Anda sudah tahu banyak cara mengucapkan salam di Korea. Let's review them all once again. Kita coba ulang semuanya, guys. To greet someone casually, kita bacanya 안녕. To greet someone respectfully, 안녕하세요. To say goodbye respectfully when you are leaving and the other person is staying, you say 안녕히 계세요. To say goodbye casually when you're leaving, we say 잘 있어. 잘 있어. To say goodbye respectfully when the other person is leaving, we say 안녕히 가세요. To say goodbye casually when the other person is leaving, we say 잘 가. During the next lesson, we will learn the meaning of the phrase Yang hasu esaya. Do you really know it? We'll be waiting to talk about with you when our new lesson start again next time. Jadi kita akan belajar lagi ke depannya tentang bahasa Korea. 1 jam pembelajaran, guys. Mudah-mudahan ada manfaatnya. Jangan lupa subscribe channel saya, Amsar Sadang, share ke teman-teman lainnya jika bermanfaat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.